Hey friends, it's Jamie Jaco, your 31 girl, and I'm back. So I took almost a week off. We went on vacation, we just had the best time, but I'm back and I'm back to work and I have a lot of work to do. So I came home to 5 boxes. I've already unboxed 2, but I came home to 5 boxes. So I've got a lot of boxing up or bagging up to do. And there are some really cute stuff in these boxes, so I thought as I was bagging stuff up and delivering them to my hostesses, I would show you some of my favorite products that I got ordered from the party. So I'll be doing 2 videos today. The first one will be from a party that I had at a Mexican restaurant. So yes, if you've been wanting to host a party but don't want to have it at your house, I do Mexican restaurant parties all the time. You don't have to clean your house. It's the best thing ever. We just go, we reserve the party room, which is free, and then you get tons of rewards. So my hostess that did the Mexican restaurant party, she got $150 in free stuff, 2 half-price items, and 2 hostess exclusives. So I'm telling you, if you want to save some money with 31, having a party is the best way to do it. There's several different ways you can have parties, but this one was at a Mexican restaurant. So that's enough about the party. I want to show you some of the good products that came because they're so cute. I really wish I could show you everything because it's so good, but I don't want this video to be too long. So here we go. The first one, I've seen this in the catalog and I've absolutely loved it. And this sweet lady has had her eye on the Cindy tote for a while. This hostess of mine, she has a party for me in every March. So we do a yearly party every March. And this was our 6th party, I believe. So our 6th March party. I love that. I just think it's so sweet. But this lady's been eyeing the Cindy tote for a while and she finally took the dive and got it and she's going to love it. So here it is in the catalog. Here's the Cindy tote, but look how cute this striped one is with these initials. And I believe that those initials are like a Merlot or a maroon or something like that. But this one is so cute because it matches the she did caramel, so it matches the straps. Y'all are going to love this. Look how pretty this is with the caramel, and it's like shiny. Oh, I just love it. So this is called our double striped, and what it is it's got stripes going 2 different ways. Look how pretty that is. Heather, you're gonna love this. I'm taking it to Leah today. So here are the stripes, and it's got different ways, and then you open it up, it's got a zipper pocket inside, 2 flat pockets, all the good stuff. And so it's got the caramel stripes. I just love this purse. I thought it was so pretty, and I'm so excited that she bought it because now I want it. Okay, another one that I'm gonna show off is our Around Town tote. So don't forget, this is the hostess special for the month. And if you see I've got them up here, you know I love these. But she got it in the blush. Y'all look how gorgeous that blush is. And she did tone on tone. So she got a G in the blush. Look how pretty that is. Oh, I'm obsessed with this. So pretty. I love that it's subtle. It has the cell phone pocket on the back. Love that one. So that's the Around Town in blush. And of course, one of my friends got the Around Town tote that y'all have all been dying for. So the last post that I did was last Saturday. And I said, happy Saturday. I just want to let you know that, I just wanted to, let you know something pretty. Are y'all ready to see it? Y'all loved it. Look how gorgeous it is in person. Okay, this video doesn't do it justice. So it's got this beautiful marigold straps. And then here's the detail. Y'all, how pretty is that? I'm so excited. This is absolutely gorgeous. So that's the tote that I posted a picture of last Saturday, and y'all all loved it. Okay, oh, here it is in the book. I tried to save some so you can see it. Look how gorgeous that is. Okay, next up is, if you know about our new purse line, which is our Studio by 31, you can mix and match the flaps, the straps, the bodies. Who has one of these? This is just the best. I love this new purse line. So, my friend got her a new flap, and it is so gorgeous. Look, this is the rose, and then she did navy initials, and then she did our new meadow personalization. How gorgeous is that, guys, with the white? Oh, I just love it. So that's going to look perfect on her navy body. So you get to pick a body, a flap, and a strap with your first purchase, and you get it as a bundle. And then you can go through and mix and match as you want. So you can just call me up and say, I want to add a flap. And so she's got the navy body up here. So she's going to add this gorgeous rose to it. It's going to be so pretty. Okay, next up. So hopefully you have a new catalog. This is our new spring and summer catalog. But then we also have a new spring gift guide. So this one's like the small version. Well, it's not the small version. It's an add-on. So this is an extra catalog that we have. This catalog is only good for March, April, and May. So after May, this goes away and all the products in it goes away. So these things are while supplies last. Like the cute little mermaid and flamingo snackers and all that. That's only while they last. So you want to hurry and get them if you love them. Okay, so there's one page in this book that got so much attention. Look at all this gorgeous. The lavender, the black, the wildflower print. And these girls ate it up at the party. So let me show you the first one. The wildflower print. Look how gorgeous that is. So this is the All About the Benjamins wallet. And that beautiful print. Gosh, it is so pretty. And you've got lavender in it. You've got coral, white. The background's black. Look how gorgeous this is. Love this. Okay, so that's the wildflower print. Next up is our lavender. My hostess got this for free. Look how cute that is. And it does come with a crossbody strap, so she can wear it as an arm hand, like on her arm, or arm hand. That made no sense. Y'all can tell I've been out of the business for a little bit. So you can wear it on your arm, or you can add a crossbody strap to it, and you can wear it crossbody or on your shoulder. But y'all, look how gorgeous this is. So she got the charcoal initials to match her straps. Guys, so stinking pretty. Okay, the last thing I'm going to show is our street style. So this right here, this is my favorite crossbody. And I'm going to show you how much they loved it. We got 3 of them ordered in that party. So cute. And they said they wanted it just like the book. So if you look in the book, how it has this gorgeous floral wreath and then a letter in the middle, they said, literally on their order forms, they wrote, I want it just like that. Look how gorgeous that is. So here's the floral, the white, and then they did a lilac letter. Guys, how stinking cute is that? So I don't want to mess theirs up. So I'm going to show you mine. This is what I took. So we went to Pigeon Forge, and I normally take several different crossbodies, and I try to take pictures of them all. And y'all, I didn't take any pictures of the products I used. I'm sorry. I'll be happy to tell you what I used, but we was not worried about taking pictures. But this street style, here's mine. I used this the entire time we were gone. For shopping, when we were at Dollywood, I forgot this was on. This is how great this purse is. I love this street style purse, and I know these ladies are going to love theirs. So it comes with a crossbody strap, and you can clip it on. Or if you wanted to just add a wristlet strap to it, you could, and it could be a cute little wristlet. It's got 2 huge pockets, and they're zipper pockets. And then in the middle, it has a snap. And here's another pocket. So this is where I kept my phone the whole time. It was the best. So I kept my phone in here the whole time. And then you'll see it's got credit card slots. So I put my cards in here. And then any cash right here. And then I have a zipper pocket right here. And then this big area right here. So I just kept like my chapstick, anything extra that I needed. Guys, this was the best. I loved it. It's my favorite. But this one's only available for March, April, and May. So if you love this, you want to get it before it goes away. So it comes in the black, and it also comes in this gorgeous lavender. So those were my favorites. I guess I kind of want to show Heather's. Heather, is it okay if I show yours? I'm like dying because it's so stinking cute. So if you know, we have our table gallery, and it comes with the adorable pictures, but I always tell my girls that you can buy these inserts and you don't have to use them in the actual table gallery. And so my friend Heather buys them for ornaments, and it is the cutest thing ever. I just love it. So I'm going to show it. I'm hoping she has said yes, because I'm about to show it because it's so stinking sweet. Are you going to say yes, Heather? It takes a little bit. Oh, I hope she don't mind. Okay. Let's just, 1 second. I didn't plan on showing it because it's a picture, but she keeps talking about it, and it's making me love it, and I want to show so bad. Heather, are you going to let me? Watch, I'm going to show it, and then I'm going to get the notification that she said no. I'll show really quick. Okay, so this is the back of it. It's iron, so it's not going to bend or break or anything like that. These normally sit in a wood block that you can buy, and you can personalize it, and it's the cutest little photo holder. And you buy it. Let me find it in the catalog first. So yes, yay, Heather. Okay. I'm sure you said that like 5 minutes ago. It just takes forever for it to come up. Okay, so here it is in the catalog. You buy the block of wood right here, and then you pick 3 photos that you want on there. It comes with it. You don't have to pay extra. So you buy the piece of wood, and then it comes in the pictures come in there. How stinking cute is that? And then when you're tired of it, you can take these out and order new ones. So they're just inserts. So you can buy new ones to replace it. But I love it because we have another way that you can use it, and you can buy them for ornaments. And so Heather did this last year, and it was so stinking cute. And she loves Christmas. And so she's already ordering more for next year. And these are going to attach to her stocking. So instead of her having their name on their stocking, it's going to have their picture. How adorable is that? So look at this adorable baby. Y'all, I just want to eat her up. She's the sweetest little thing. So you just buy this. It was $8, and then it's got a little hole up here, and so you thread ribbon through it, and you're done. How stinking cute is she? Y'all, I can't take it. That baby is the cutest thing in the entire world. Like, she should just be shown to everybody to make you smile. Here was Owen. Look at her handsome little boy. Oh, so cute. Okay. So that's all for this one. So I'm going to bag this party up, and I'm going to get it to my girl because I know she's dying, and I know all the other girls are dying. So I'm going to bag this up and deliver it to her. And then I have a whole other party, y'all. So if y'all want to see stuff from this party, I'll be happy to show you. So just let me know. Everybody loved the unboxing. I don't know if you loved my unboxing or if you loved Craig's unboxing, but I've had several people ask me to do it again, so I thought it'd be fun to do this. So I hope you enjoyed seeing what people are getting in their personalization, seeing what's popular right now. We all know the street style's popular because I've got 3 heading out the door. And yeah, so whenever I get done bagging this party up, I'll do a live show on the other party if you want to watch. So have a great, what's today? Friday. Have a great Friday. Bye, guys.